In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable versus ClickUp, which is better. Whether you're just opening one of these apps for the first time, or you're comparing pros and cons to level up your workflow, I'll walk you through the core differences, what each one excels at, and the clearest way to choose based on your needs. By the end, you'll know which tool gives you the best results for your team and your day-to-day work. Let's start with the big picture. Both Airtable and ClickUp can technically manage data and tasks, but they're built on very different philosophies. Airtable is database first. Think of it as a high-powered spreadsheet that can link information together in rich, meaningful ways. If you've ever wished your spreadsheet could behave like a smart system, where a single client can connect to multiple projects and invoices, or a part can tie to an inventory list and a supplier, Airtable was designed for exactly that. It's best when you're building custom tools and organizing complex information that needs to stay structured and consistent over time. ClickUp is task first. Its entire foundation is productivity and getting things done. It gives you a clear hierarchy and a complete toolkit in one place so you can plan, collaborate, and execute without juggling a bunch of separate apps. If your top priority is staying on top of deadlines, assigning work, and tracking progress across a team, ClickUp leans into that with intention. Now, let's talk about why you might choose Airtable. If your work depends on relational data, Airtable is a standout. Relational data means linking one piece of information to another and keeping those connections accurate as your system grows. This might be tying a product to multiple suppliers, mapping deliverables back to a contract, or associating assets with campaigns and channels. Airtable's linked records make those relationships easy to build, maintain, and query without technical overhead. Another advantage is custom interfaces. Airtable lets you build tailored dashboards and lightweight apps on top of your data, so each person sees exactly what they need. That might be a focused view for an editor who only needs approved assets, a summary board for leadership that highlights KPIs, or a simple form for a partner to submit content without exposing your entire base. These interfaces reduce clutter, guide behavior, and protect data integrity. Airtable is also flexible with data types. It handles attachments, checkboxes, and linked records with a level of stability that makes large data sets feel manageable. Adding files to records, using single or multi-select fields, and building filters that update in real time all come naturally. This is a big reason marketing and creative teams rely on it for content calendars, asset tracking, and production pipelines. When you need a single source of truth that won't get messy the moment multiple people touch it, Airtable shines. On the other hand, you might choose ClickUp if your work is primarily about planning and delivering tasks across teams. Its hierarchy, space, folder, list, task, makes it practical to structure massive amounts of work across departments, projects, and initiatives. You can group by team, break work down into lists, and still keep a crisp view of the individual tasks that move the needle. ClickUp also stands out as an all-in-one utility. You get native time tracking for effort and billable hours, collaborative docs for notes and specs, whiteboards for brainstorming, and team chat for quick alignment, all in the same ecosystem. That consolidation saves time and reduces context switching, especially when you want conversations and documentation to live right next to the tasks they support. If you work in an agile environment, ClickUp has built-in features ready to go. You can manage sprints, visualize timelines with Gantt charts, and use workload views to understand who is at capacity and who can take on more. Those views make it easier to assign work realistically, anticipate bottlenecks, and keep delivery on track without assembling a patchwork of separate tools. As a bonus, ClickUp often delivers more features at a lower price point per user than Airtable, which matters when you're scaling a team and watching software spend. Here's the verdict to make the decision simple. Go with Airtable if you're tired of messy spreadsheets and need a reliable source of truth for your data. That covers things like inventory, client lists, complex content libraries, or production pipelines where relationships between records matter. Airtable excels when you're building a customized, structured system that multiple people will use in different ways, and when you want the flexibility to design clean interfaces for each role. Go with ClickUp if your team needs to stay on top of deadlines, collaborate in real time, and track exactly who is doing what and when. If your biggest pain is coordinating tasks, moving projects forward, and seeing progress across teams, ClickUp provides that clarity right out of the box. It's especially strong when you want to replace a handful of separate apps with one platform and use features like time tracking, docs, and chat without bolt-ons. To wrap up, both tools are powerful, and both can stretch beyond their comfort zones. But the cleanest path to success is to choose based on your primary need. Structured, relational data, and custom interfaces point to Airtable. Comprehensive task management and team execution point to ClickUp. Pick the one that aligns with how your team works today. Set it up with intention, and you'll feel the difference immediately. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.